How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome guys. Today we're gonna turn this canvas into something beautiful. You will be needing the following. You will be needing some tulle, a broken brooch or some broken jewelry, beautiful glitter foam paper, some wool, you will need a glue gun, scissors. Here I've already painted the canvas. You will need some paint of your choice, some craft glue, as well as some Mod Podge. You will also need something to measure with, and then also some ribbon. Okay, so guys, after I painted the canvas this beautiful pink color, my daughter helped me with that. Then I'm just gonna seal it in with some Mod Podge so that we make sure that the paint doesn't crack and come off of the canvas. So after that, we're just gonna take some ribbon and then we're gonna glue it on the sides of the canvas so that it's nice and neat, because I did not paint the sides of the canvas. So I'm just using a glue gun to do that, and at the back I'm just making sure that I secure the ends of the ribbon so that it's nice and tidy. Sorry for my cat, guys, she's in the room whilst I'm doing this voiceover. Now I'm just drawing out the top part of the dress or the bodice. You can do it in any shape you want. She wanted a sweetheart neckline, so I'm doing that. I'm just playing around and getting it to the perfect shape. And now I'm using the wool just to make the bottom part of the dress, so it's a project that does not need any sewing. And I'll slow it down so that you can see exactly how I tie the tulle around the wool in order to make the bottom part or the poofy part of the dress that will be on the canvas. Okay, so here you can see I'm just folding the tulle and looping it around the wool and then tying it up by pulling it so that you can see it. Okay, so then we use some craft glue just to stick on the top part of the dress. Here's my daughter's hands. She has piano fingers. And here I am just tying the ends of the bottom part of the dress just to secure them so that they don't come off, and then just cutting the wool a little bit shorter after I've made a knot on each side. There you go. And now I'm just attaching extra tulle. You'll see this one is looking a little bit different than the other one. It has glitters on. You'll use your glue gun now to attach the bottom part to the top part of the dress, and you will have to hold it down until the glue dries, but it dries very quickly, guys. Now we are just tidying up the ends of the dress so that it looks nice and symmetrical. And then we will use the broken brooch that I saved to just attach it as an extra decoration. And guys, if you have broken jewelry, keep them aside. You know, when you are doing DIYs, you will always find use for them, and that is what I did in this case. So I'm just attaching it with some hot glue, holding it down until it dries. And this is the final results, guys. I think it looks really pretty. I decided to do this DIY because we are in the process of finishing our plans to renovate our bedrooms, and I thought I'd get a head start on some of the decorations that we want to use in the bedrooms. And I also thought that, you know, why not do DIYs? It's a little bit less expensive, it's cheap, and also you get to create your own unique things that you know not everybody will have in their rooms. Yeah, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk again soon. Bye, guys.